In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record an owner's draw via direct deposit in QuickBooks Online. If you're a business owner or bookkeeper, you know that keeping track of owner's draws is an essential part of managing your finances. By recording these transactions properly in QuickBooks Online, you ensure your records stay accurate and up to date. Plus, setting up direct deposit for these draws can save you time and streamline the process. Whether this is your first time handling an owner's draw or you're looking for a refresher, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process from start to finish. If you're new to QuickBooks Online, you can find a link in the description to create your account and get started. To begin, open your QuickBooks Online account and click on the New button at the top left corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Bill. This will open up a new bill form where you'll enter the details of the owner's draw. Next, set the owner as the vendor. If you haven't used the owner as a vendor before, you'll want to take a moment to confirm that their vendor profile is accurate. Make sure all the necessary details like name and payment information are filled out correctly. Now, in the Category Details section of the bill, you'll need to select the owner's equity account. If you don't already have an equity account set up, you'll need to create one. To do this, add a new account and set the account type to equity. For the detail type, choose Owner's Equity. This ensures the transaction is categorized properly in your records. Once that's set, enter the draw amount for the bill. This is the amount of money the owner is withdrawing from the business. If you'd like to add a little extra clarity for future reference, you can include a memo such as Owner's Draw in the designated field. Before moving forward, double-check the bill date and due date. These should reflect the desired payment processing date. It's always a good idea to verify these details to ensure everything aligns with your financial schedule. When you're ready, click Save and Schedule Payment at the bottom. This will take you to the payment scheduling window. Here, you'll select the funding account you want to use within QuickBooks Bill Pay. Make sure to choose the correct account for the funds to be withdrawn from. Then, set the payment date to match when you'd like the funds to be transferred to the owner. You'll also need to confirm the delivery method for the payment, such as direct deposit. At this point, it's important to verify that the vendor profile supports direct deposit. Ensure the necessary banking details for the owner are correctly saved in their profile. Once everything looks good, go ahead and confirm the payment. Finally, keep an eye on the status of the payment as it processes. QuickBooks will provide updates to let you know when the payment has been successfully completed. And that's it. You've successfully recorded an owner's draw and scheduled the payment via direct deposit in QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.